Palayaw, Dabaw!
It's time for the Dabawenyos' turn to take the ResponsiBottle Campaign with Nature Spring while celebrating Nature Spring ResponsiBottle Campaign has finally reached the land of promise. Let us be a responsive bottle and do the following steps. Step 1. Remove the cap. Step 2. Crush the bottle. Step 3. Return the cap. Finally, throw it in a designated trash bin. PET bottles are 100% recyclable with high residual value with 90% recovery rate in the Philippines.
Maayong untag sa tanan, my name is Araw ng Dabaw 2018. Let us be responsive bottle.
Be ResponsiBottle!
Be responsible.